Learn prepositions with examples in, on, at, by, over, under, between, next to. Let's learn. Preposition number 1, in. Look at this example. There's a glass and there's a ball. Where's the ball? The ball is in the glass. In. The ball is in the glass. In preposition we also use for time. Look at these examples. First example, I was born in 2005. In this first example, in we use for time, 2005. Second example, he is coming in June. In this example, we also use in preposition for time. So, we also use in preposition for time. Number 2, preposition on. Look at this example. There's a table and these are books. Where are the books? The books are on the table. On. Where are the books? The books are on the table. We are also used on preposition for time. Look at these examples. I go to gym on Sunday. On Sunday. We're talking about time. Second example. We meet on Independence Day. We always use on with weekdays or festival. For example, on New Year's Eve, on Christmas, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday. So we use on preposition for time as well, with weekdays and special events. Number 3, preposition at. We use at preposition for place and time. Look at these examples. Example number 1, I am at home. Example number 2, she is at the park. So, at we use preposition for place. Look at these examples. We use preposition for time. I eat lunch at 2 p.m. They sleep at 10 p.m. So, we use preposition at for place and time. At 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. at 10 p.m. We use at for time. The next preposition number 4, by preposition. Look at these examples. Example number 1, I came here by bus. Now you can understand how we use by preposition. I came here by bus. Second example, she went to London by train. How did she go to London? She went to London by train. And here's another use of by preposition. These are more examples. There's a tree and there's a boy. Where is the boy standing? The boy is standing by the tree. In this sentence, by means near the tree. The boy is standing near the tree. Look at this another example. Where is the boy standing? The boy is standing by the swimming pool. Where is the boy standing? The boy is standing by the swimming pool. By means near the swimming pool. Preposition number 5, over. Look at this example. There's a glass and these are books. Where are the books? The books are over the glass. Over. The books are over the glass. Another example. The ball is over the glass. Over. Preposition number 6, under. Look at this example. There's a table and these are the books. Where are the books? The books are under the table. The books are under the table. Under. Second example. The ball is under the table. Under the table. Preposition number 7, between. Look at this example. These are books, a ball, and a table. Where is the ball? Can you tell me? Okay, let me tell you. The ball is between the books and the table. The ball is between the books and the table. Between. Preposition number 8. Next to. Look at this example. Where is the glass? The glass is next to the tree. The glass is next to the tree. There is another example. Where is the bus? The bus is next to the tree. I hope you learned all these prepositions, guys. Let me comment below if you like this